Hello, it's Brendan from techbuzzireland. Today we have the tile sticker, which basically says small finders that stick to anything. Um, Two tiles come in this particular unit itself. Interesting enough, on the top it shows earphones, remotes, bicycle, and a camera there at the moment. So things you can actually stick it to on the back of a thing. Ring of things, find your phone, use community find. Sticker is a 45-meter range, 3-year battery, and it's waterproof. So I suppose in essence what you're doing here at the moment is tiles themselves, connecting it to something, and then obviously using your phone to source it so you can find it, the unit itself. So in the box it comes down with your normal app that you would download. It's a shame it doesn't have a QR code directly to give you the app rather than have to search the Play Store equivalent. Follow the app instructions and go through it, attach the things you want. It comes with some instructions here. Tells you a little bit about guarantee, but in reality not much of any use. Welcome to the world's largest lost and found community. So this is where you lose something, and this is what you actually get. So I suppose the main thing would be of interest is the tile itself. In essence, fairly small there at the moment, waterproof, shockproof, and obviously you can take the sticker off here in the background itself. And we just tested it for shockproof, and it's still going. Within your phone, you download the app. The app is standard enough, quite easily to actually use. What you're really doing on the app itself is connecting up your email, putting in the title, and you're connecting up the app. So this is one I prepared earlier, and what you're really doing is you're giving it a picture. You can set up your own picture to it. I've just called this a tie, but you can actually have it any variety of different things there. So you connect this, example, to a hard disk, just in case I'll lose it. Put it onto there, and when I travel with this in my case, move around, and I accidentally lose it, I should be able to find it. What it's doing here at the moment is connecting there, and the circle. As I would move this away or walk towards it, that circle gets higher and things, so I can know. So within the house, that's quite good because obviously I can find it. But when I'm out and about there at the moment and I'm traveling, and I leave it in work, I leave it in the office, or I drop it on somewhere outside, you've got the location history, so you can actually find out where you were. So that gives you full details. But also there's the option, the history of where you've grouped things. So anybody else with this particular app can actually find it for yourself as well. So it's not just you, it's actually using it, connecting to your phone. You can work vice versa to find your phone also. So it's quite handy to give you an idea. So setting it up there, it's just a tile, and setting it up once you have it down. Tactile tile, sticker. Hold your device down to some, they take up to 10 seconds. And I'm just putting it down. And it should be connecting in the background. And in typical fashion, it's just taking a few moments to do it, but it will actually connect. I may have connected this one earlier on, so that could be the query. And that's just your normal, it just comes up to say it's working with the other one there. It has actually worked quite easily. So I suppose you can actually do it. The other option is you can also go for within your phone itself, you can go for tile, get new information coming through. Location is where we actually said you can zoom in to figure out where you've been and where you've actually last used it there. There's also connected. So it'll also give you upgrade to premium. Within the premium, you get frequently asked questions, set up smart alerts so you can actually know when it's taken outside your house, when it's taken outside the building, so you can actually have it And you've got other options here at the moment. Set up diagnostic report, customer care, terms and credits. So within there, you can go for an advanced features. It's a subscription service for more details. If it's something important that you want to make sure that you don't lose, that if you do lose it, you can actually find it. And all you're really doing is ensuring that you can find it, whether it's talking to your phone directly, or you're doing something else. They're not that mad expensive. 3-year life, waterproof. Give them a few bags, they're fairly okay, so you can actually knock them around a bit and it'll actually work. So if you're in the habit of losing stuff and you want to be able to find it quite easily, this is probably a method to go there at the moment, because at least when you do the first thing you do is on the map, you can zoom in and see where you leave it last. If you can't find it there on your phone, you've other options. And as it does say, you can use it in the earphones, remote, and a bicycle as well, which means that the waterproof option will kick in as there. And that's it from the tile sticker discipline. They do have a lot of other options there at the moment, but this is just the two we have today. Thank you for watching Tech Buzz Ireland.